In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msjava.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type SFC space forward slash scan now. Scan now just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 2, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to make sure that your Windows is up to date. Step 3, if you have any third-party antivirus installed on your Windows like the Mac, Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, just try to temporarily disable that. Then, next method, open a browser, any browser, search for Visual C++ or distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, but you need to check your system type first. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Then scroll down on the page and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ or distributable package to your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.